Empirical formula. Yes, beta. Next topic is empirical formula. Yes, today is lecture number 17.
Sir,
Yes,
haven't we already done empirical formula?
we have already done empirical formula. Oh, wow.
Yes, sir. Before.
What equation? Yes, we have already done empirical formula and molecular formula. Very good. Now, Vijay, are you listening my voice?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Okay. So lecture number 17. Magical map. Let's suppose we have moles. 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 So we can convert moles we can convert mass in gram. Mass in gram. So Saad, we can convert mass in gram into moles. We can convert mass in gram into moles. How? We can convert mass into moles and moles into gram.
sir, the topic's name is.
This is magical map, right? Now we can convert now just divided by AR or MR. You can convert mass in gram into moles. Similarly, when you multiply it by AR or MR, you can get mass in gram. Now, you can also convert moles into concentration. You can convert mass into concentration. When you divide it by given volume, if the volume is in centimeter cube, then divide it by 1000 to convert the volume into dm cube. Divided by given volume, multiply by 1000. So when you divide moles by volume and then multiply by 1000, then the concentration will be in mole per dm cube. Similarly, when you multiply concentration by volume, by given volume and divide it by 1000, you will get the moles. Concentration is equal to mole over volume multiply by 1000. So when you multiply concentration by volume and divide by 1000, you will get the mole again. उमर बात समझ आ रही है?
Sir, so like
हाँ
in
बोले.
the to get from concentration to moles, we will do concentration divided by 1000 or given volume divided by 1000.
Yes, no. Whenever you have concentration, you just multiply by given volume and then divide by 1000. We will practice we will practice. First, construct the concept map, then we will practice it.
So what will you
Okay.
do in the down part?
Sorry?
Concentration multiplied by given volume over 1000.
Yes. When you multiply concentration by volume and divide it by 1000, you will get the moles again. When you divide,
Divided by,
when
okay.
yes, when you divide it by 1000, use this formula, you will get the concentration. Now look at concentration is equal to mole divided by volume multiply by 1000. So when you divide mole by the volume and then multiply by 1000, you will get the concentration. Concentration is equal to mole divided by volume, then multiply by 1000. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
So let's suppose moles are 5 into 10 is to power 5 into 10 is to power minus 3, right? And the given volume is 5 cm cube. Then multiply by 1000, you will get the concentration. Means 5 into 10 is to power minus 3 divided by given volume and then multiply by 1000. Same thing. मोल को डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा गिवन वॉल्यूम से और 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. So mole divided by given volume is equal to concentration. अगर ऐसे समझने में मुश्किल हो रही है तो यूं भी लिख सकते हैं गिवन वॉल्यूम डिवाइडेड बाय 1000. चलिए नेक्स्ट.
So moles divided by given volume divided by 1000.
हाँ, so divide when you have two division, it convert into multiplication. That's why I wrote 1000 divided by given volume.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Now next is the next is number of particles. Number of particles. Number of particle means atom molecule ions so you can easily convert when you multiply moles by 6 into 10 is to power 23. This is called Avogadro number. We will discuss later. You will get the number of particles.
Sir, we discussed it.
Sorry?
Avogadro constant.
Yes, this is Avogadro constant.
Yeah, we discussed it.
Okay, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. So when you divide it by 6 into 10 is to power 23, you will get the number of moles again. This is number of atom. Particle means number of atom. Particle means number of molecule. Particle means number of ions. Yes. Particle means number of atom. Number of ions. So you can use moles to find the concentration. You can use moles to find the number of particles. You can also use moles to find the volume. volume. This volume is called molar volume. Molar volume. So So molar volume, moles multiplied by 24 dm cube. Then the volume should be in, will be in the dm cube. But when you multiply it by 24,000, your volume will be in
Sir,
cm cube. Yes,
sir, why do you multiply by 24?
because 1 mole has 24 dm cube.
Oh, okay.
It's a fact.
So what is D meaning? Decimeter. Yeah.
dm cube means decimeter cube.
Okay.
Decimeter cube means liter.
So decimeter cube and liter is the same thing.
Is same thing. Similarly,
Okay.
cm cube and milliliter is same thing.
Yeah.
Now divided by 24. Divided by 24 or divided by 24,000. If the volume is in dm cube, if the volume is in cm cube, you will get the moles. This is mole concept. If you know the concentration and moles, you can easily find the volume. Volume. Yes, you can find the volume easily when concentration is given. You know that concentration is equal to mole over volume multiplied by 1000. So volume is equal to mole divided by concentration multiplied by 1000. This volume will be in cm cube. Now multiply it by mole divided by concentration. So how do we convert concentration into volume? Multiply by mole divided by concentration. Similarly, we can convert. Yes, yes.
Sir, what is the difference between this volume and molar volume?
Molar volume is the volume of 1 mole, right? For example, if you have a glass of water, it is not 1 mole, but the volume is let's suppose 25 cm cube. If you have 25 cm cube in your glass, it is simple volume, not molar volume, right? If you have 1 mole of water, then its volume is called molar volume.
Okay, sir.
Now next. Now next, when you multiply concentration over volume, concentration upon mole, you will get the concentration. Now look at the formula again. Volume is equal to, sorry, mole over volume Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
The formula of the volume is, the formula of the concentration is, you just, if you know the volume, right? If you know the volume, then you can easily find the concentration, mole divided by volume is
Sir,
concentration.
basically, if you know one of all these things, then then you can find all the other things here.
Yes, 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 yes. Inshallah, we will practice it
Sir, so this is
after the,
basically all. This is basically the whole of stoichiometry.
exactly the whole syllabus is, this is dm cube. If you multiply it by 1000, then the volume should be in cm cube. Now let's start. Now first question.
Sir.
Question number, yes, yes, yes.
Sir, can you go like to the? Can you zoom out and go to the whole page? Yeah, that's it.
I will share the PDF of the file. Just
Okay.
remind me. I will convert into PDF and send.
Sir, the whole file.
Yes, yes. Just remind me. I will send of
Okay,
all the
it
chapters.
concludes everything. Yeah. Okay.
Everything, inshallah. Question number 1. Find moles. A part. Question is, if 5 gram carbon dioxide is given, find number A. Molecular mass of carbon dioxide. Yes, can you tell me the molecular mass of carbon dioxide? So carbon is 12. Carbon is 12. Carbon plus 2 oxygen. So carbon is 12. 2 times 16. So the answer is 44. B part. Find moles. Now, can you tell me the formula of the
Sir.
mole? Now use the map to find the, how to find the moles.
Sir, so we know we found out the MR from here. So yeah, so for moles, we know the grams. So gram is 5 grams. So we have to divide it by
Divide.
the MR.
Divide it by. Very good. Very good. So mole is equal to mass in gram divided by mr. So mass
Sir,
is
in the above diagram, why did it say like mass divided by ER or MR, ER slash
when,
MR?
yes, when you divide mass in gram by AR or MR, you will get the moles.
Sir, but ER and MR are different things. ER is
If
atomic
atom is
mass.
given, now listen, if atom is given, for example, if 5 gram of carbon, then use AR. If you have molecule, then use MR.
Okay. So here
Okay.
this is MR, yeah, because it's a
Yes, here we
molecule.
have the molecule. That's why we use MR.
Okay.
Now 5 divided by 44 is
Sir, 0.11.
0.11. 0.11 moles. Now C part. Now C part. Find molar volume. In dm cube. Now, can you tell me the volume, molar volume, formula of molar volume?
So mole times 24 if you want
Mole
in
time,
dm cube.
exactly, mole time 24. Mole is 0.11 multiplied by 24. Yes.
Sir, 2.64.
2.64 dm cube. Now D part. Find molar volume in cm cube. Now mole multiplied by 24,000. For cm cube, use 24,000. Yes.
Sir, so for this one, it's
Yes. Can you repeat?
yeah, sir, it's 2640.
2, 24.
2640.
Why 26?
Two, sir, 2640.
Sir, isn't it
Okay, okay,
0.11
okay,
moles?
okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. 2610.
No, sir, 2640.
40. I am really sorry. CM cube. Now, this is the volume. Now, next. Next question. Hmm. Now, next question. How many moles? How many moles of sodium hydroxide? Sodium hydroxide were needed to make up this solution? How many moles of sodium hydroxide were needed to make this solution? So let's suppose 2 dm cube of sodium hydroxide of concentration 5 mole per dm cube were required for an experiment then how many this is question number 2. Now can you tell me what things are given? Yes, volume is given.
Sir, volume is given, concentration is given. Right?
Volume is given. Concentration is also given, which is 5 mole per dm cube. So what is required?
A mole, sir. We need to
Moles
find
are
mole.
required. So can you tell me the formula?
Sir, we'll
Always remember, concentration is equal to, yes,
mole divided by given volume times 1000.
mole divided by volume multiplied by 1000.
So to find the mole, sir, we'll multiply the concentration by 1000, then no, divide the
I think
concentration by 1000, then multiply by the volume.
1000 is not required because volume is already in dm cube.
Oh,
Are you
okay.
getting my point?
Okay, sir.
So now put the value. Concentration is 5, mole is required, volume is 2. So the mole would be 10 mole. Unit is mol. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Now next question, question number 3. Question number 3.
Sir? Sir?
Now can, yes.
Yes, sir. Basically, it was like the constant mole equals to concentration multiplied by given volume, yeah. And
Exactly.
because it's in dm, so we don't have to do like multiply or divide by 1000.
Exactly, Shabash. Very good. Whenever volume is in cm cube, you have to multiply it by 1000. Otherwise, no need to multiply it by 1000.
Sir, but in the concentration, it was 5 mole dm to the power of -3.
Mhm.
So
Why
what does
negative
it mean?
3?
Why?
Concentration is 5 mole per dm cube.
Sir, concentration is dm. Why is there a negative sign?
It means mole concentration. The unit of concentration is mole per dm cube. So we can write it mole minus dm cube, right? It is a unit of concentration.
Okay, yes, sir, I got it.
Okay. Now we will start past paper of moles, right? Now let's start. First, this is MCQ paper. Yes. First question, question number 12. What is the number of moles of hydrogen atom in 3.2 gram of methane? Question number 2. 14. Question number 15. 16 also moles. 4 questions are from moles. कितना important है, you can imagine. Okay. Now, what is the... Yes, this is the question. Three seven one three. 3713. 3713 variant 12. Variant 12, May, June 2021. Yes. What is the number of moles of hydrogen atoms in 3.2 gram of methane? Yes, mass in given. Now methane is CH4. Can you tell me the MR of CH4?
Sir, 16.
16. Now mole is equal to 3.2 gram divided by 16. Yes. 3.2 को
Sir,
16 से
0.2.
0.2. So B is the answer.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, but then what do you mean by moles of hydrogen atoms? Because there says carbon atom also in methane.
Okay, just a minute. Moles of hydrogen is required. Just a minute. Just a minute. I will check it. If mole of hydrogens are required, then our answer is wrong. Oh, moles of hydrogens are required.
So will it be like the AR of hydrogen will be 4. So we'll do
No, no, no,
3.2
no,
divided
no,
by
no,
4.
no, 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 no. Look at again. Look at again. So we have mole of CH4. Now, can you tell me the ratio between CH4 and hydrogen? How many hydrogens are there in CH4?
Sir, 1:4.
1:4. So if CH4 is 2, you can find easily X mole of hydrogen. So 0.2 multiplied by 4, the answer is 0.8. So this is wrong. 0.8 is correct. Are you getting my point or not?
Sir? Sir, can you go back?
Yes. Just a minute.
Yeah.
This is question number 12. So question number 12 is A, B, C, or D. D is correct. D is correct. Now next question.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, but in this one you said the ratio of CH4 to hydrogen.
Yes.
So like
Because
shouldn't it
hydrogen is
be
required. Because hydrogen is required. Mole of atom of hydrogen, number of moles of hydrogen atoms are required.
okay? So we won't do like C2H.
C2H?
Like you said CH4, the ratio of CH4 to H, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
So it should
CH4
not
to
be
H.
so it should not be the ratio from C to H.
No, 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 no. CH4 because here you have mole of CH4 because you used here MR of CH4, not the C.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now the next question, question number 14. Calcium carbonate react with an acid Ha. What is the minimum mass of acid required to react completely with 10 gram of calcium carbonate? Okay. So first step is find the mole of calcium carbonate. So gram is 10, MR is 100. So mole is 0.1 mole. Are you getting my
Sir,
point? Yes, yes.
sir, I didn't get the last question like a bit.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, like for example, if you find a mole, then it's 0.2 mole of CH4.
Yes.
Like we have to find the mole of hydrogen, but how will you
Yes.
find like so you're saying the 1 mole of CH4 is to like 4 of what?
Now listen. Now listen. You can see that in CH4 you have 4 hydrogen, right? In
Yes.
one CH4 you have 4 hydrogen. So right here 1, right here 4. In the question, you obtained 0.2 mole of CH4. Now you can easily find the number of hydrogen in 0.2 mole of CH4.
Sir, but
Yes.
in CH4 aren't there 4 hydrogen atoms? So why are we writing 1?
Yes, in one CH4, you have 4 hydrogen atom. That's why ratio is 1:4.
Okay, sir.
Okay, question is clear?
Yes, sir. So we basically crisscrossed.
Yes.
Okay.
Now look at here. Step 1, find the mole. Step 1, mole of calcium carbonate. Step 2, mole ratio. Here you have calcium carbonate and here you have Ha. Ha. So the ratio is 1:2. You can see that here we have 1 calcium carbonate, here we have 2 Ha. So calcium carbonate is 0.1, Ha is X. You just multiply. So X is 0.2 mole of Ha, mole of CaCO3.
Sir, so
Now
basically
step,
you're saying that there are two HA and ClCO3.
yes, yes, yes. You can see that the ratio is 1:2.
Okay.
The ratio is 1:2. Now step 3. Mass of HA is equal to Mr. Mole. Mr. Mole. So MR of HA is 46 and mole is 0.2. Yes. Multiply 46 by 0.2. 9.2 gram, I think.
Yes, sir, 9.2. 9.2 grams.
So answer is B. Let me check.
Sir, how did you get a 46?
46 is given AR. Now you can see that AR is given. MR is given, sorry, MR is given 46. So mass of acid is required. Mole of acid is obtained. Then multiply mole by MR. समझ आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही? साफ बोलो यार.
Yes, sir. Okay.
जो सवाल नहीं आए हाँ में या नहीं मिलाना. 14 का हमारा आंसर क्या रहा है? बी. करेक्ट, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह करेक्ट. चलें आगे बढ़े.
जी सर.
ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 15. Question number 15 now. Saad, can you read the question?
Is when 1 mole over dm cube hydrochloric acid reacts with excess sodium carbonate, 1.2 dm cube of carbon dioxide is produced. Measure at room temperature and pressure. Which volume of 1 mole over dm cube hydrochloric acid is used?
Okay. So basically here you have two liquids. Hydrochloric acid HCl. Can you tell me the concentration of hydrogen chloride? Yes.
Sir,
Can you
it's
tell me the concentration of hydrogen chloride?
1 mole per dm cube.
Okay. Concentration of HCl 1 mole per dm cube. So which gas is produced?
Carbon dioxide.
Okay. So volume of,
Sir, isn't it 1 mole dm cube? So why is it okay, it's the same thing. Okay.
okay.
So we only know our concentration here.
Yes, this is concentration. Concentration of HCl is given, this is given. And its volume is given. Now volume of HCl is required. Now, first look at the carbon dioxide. Now, planning is that its volume is given. So you can easily find the mole of carbon dioxide by 24 dm cube. You can easily find the mole of carbon dioxide. Then utilize the mole ratio to find the mole of HCl. Then you can easily find the volume of HCl. पहले कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के मोल निकालेंगे, फिर इसके मोल से HCl के मोल निकालेंगे, then you can easily find the volume of HCl.
Sir,
जी बोले.
sir, is the volume given of carbon dioxide, is it molar volume or just the volume?
Molar volume, RTP is molar. RTP means molar volume.
Okay, room temperature and pressure.
Room temperature and pressure. This is RTP. Now look at step number 1. Then step number 2. Then step number 3. Step number 1. Mole of carbon dioxide. Mole of carbon dioxide. So mole, 1 mole has 24 dm cube. So 1.2 dm cube is given. X is required. बताइए X कितना आ रहा है? बोले आंसर
Sir,
क्या है?
0.05.
0.05 मोल. ओ भाई मैं आपको आने वाली हर क्लास में मोल कराऊंगा जब तक आप नहीं कहेंगे बस कर दें सर. मैं इतने मोल्स कराऊंगा आपको.
Sir,
जी बोले.
in step 1 you have to find a mole of CO2.
Yes,
So
mole of CO2.
what's the 1 mole equals 24 dm cube?
Sorry.
What is the 1 mole equals 24 dm cube?
Yes, 1 mole always contain 24 dm cube.
Yeah, okay.
This is the molar volume. We already discussed here.
Yeah, okay. So, sir, 1 mole of what? Hydrogen or
One,
the CO2?
1 mole of carbon dioxide
Okay,
has
1
24
mole of.
dm cube of carbon dioxide.
So 1 mole of anything is 24 dm cube?
Just for gases, 1 mole always contain 24 dm cube of the gas. Now step 2.
This is for volume, yeah?
Yeah, this is for the volume.
Okay.
Now mole of HCl. Now here HCl. Here we have carbon dioxide. Can you tell me the ratio between carbon dioxide and HCl?
2:1. So
Yes, here we have 2, here we have 1.
yeah,
2:1. So carbon dioxide is 0.05.
and HCl
This
is
is
X.
X.
So X is 2 times 0.05.
Okay, mole of
0.1.
HCl. Right? Now step 3.
Yes, sir.
Volume of HCl. So how to find the volume when concentration is given, mole is given? So you know that concentration is equal to mole upon volume multiplied by 1000, because volume in cm cube is required. So concentration is 1, mole is 0.1, volume is required, and it is 1000. So V is equal to 0.1 divided by 1 multiplied by 1000. So 100 cm cube is the answer.
Sir, what is the formula for finding volume? like volume equals to volume equals to concentration
No, no, no.
multiply.
Volume is equal to mole upon concentration multiplied by 1000.
Okay, so
Yes, here you can see that this formula. Concentration to mole, mole multiplied by mole divided by concentration. Yes, mole divided by concentration.
sir, we have to rearrange the formula. The concentration equals
Yes, yes,
mole
yes.
over volume.
Yes,
So
exactly.
okay.
Are you get are you getting this point? How to get 100 cm cube?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Alhamdulillah. Now question number 15. Answer is B. Yes, the answer is B, correct. Now last question. Now next question is, which solution contains the same number of moles of solute? Yes, it's 16. Question number 16. Which solution contains the same number of moles of solute? Now, concentration is given, volume is given. You have to find the moles. बताइए moles का formula क्या बनेगा? Concentration is equal to mole upon volume multiplied by 1000. So mole is equal to CV.
Mole equals to concentration multiplied by volume over 1000.
1000. Okay. Now the question number 1. 0.01 multiplied by 10 divided by 1000. Yes. Can you tell me the number of moles? Yes. Can you tell, divide it and multiply?
Sir, here the concentration is 0.01 and 0.05, yeah, and the volume is 10 centimeter cube in it. Okay, yeah.
Okay. Then divide it by 1000 because volume is in cm cube.
So sir, then in this one, the number of moles will be 0.0001.
0.001.
No, sir, 0.0001, 3 zeros.
301. Next. Yes, can you
Sir,
do the
next is
next one?
0.005, sir. Next is 0.005.
0.05 multiply by 100.
Sir, 0.00. Yeah, okay.
Okay, now tell me the answer.
0.005.
0.005. Here we have 1000. Okay. Now third one. 0.001 multiply by 100 divided by 1000.
Sir, again 0.0001, the same as the first one.
0.0001 mole. So 1 and 3. Now can you do for the last one?
Sir, 1 times 50 over 1000, which is 50 over 1000, which is 0.05.
0.05. So 1 and 3. Which answer is correct?
Sir, A, 1 and 3.
A. Question number 16A. Yes, this is correct. Now 5070. Next is 5070 slash variant 21 May June variant 11 variant 11 2021. Yes. Now where is the mole? Yes. Question number 9. Question number 10. Question number 11. Question number 12. So it means 4 questions. Four questions. Just question number 9. The empirical formula of compound X is CH2 and the relative molecular mass is of X is 70. What is the molecular formula? So first step after getting empirical formula is find N. N is equal to empirical formula mass and molecular formula mass. This is step 1. Step 1. आप लोगों को मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So empirical molecular formula mass is 70.
Sir, but what is the EF mass?
Now EF mass. Carbon plus 2H. 12 plus 2 is 14. Yes, 70 divided by 14 is
5.
5. Now step 2. Empirical formula
Multiplied
N
by N.
is multiplied by molecular formula. So empirical formula is CH2, N is 5. So C5H10. So which one is correct?
C.
C. So look at the answer 9. C. So C is correct. C is correct. मेरे बात समझ आ रही है या टाइम जाया हो रहा है?
नहीं सर.
बोले बात समझ आ रही है. मैं उस वक्त तक कराऊंगा जब तक आप नहीं कहेंगे कि सर बस. अगली क्लास में भी मोल्स ही चलेंगे. अगर आपके पास मोल्स की कोई शीट है, कोई वर्कशीट है, करवानी है, आप मुझे भेजेंगे, मैं करवा दूंगा.
Yes, sir.
चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Now question number 10. Yes. A chemist want to make a calcium nitrate. They start with 8 gram of pure calcium oxide and an excess of dilute nitric acid. They produce 12.65 gram of pure dry anhydrous calcium nitrate crystal. What is the percentage yield? Okay. So इसे हटाना चाहिए. ये हमने करा नहीं है अभी. क्या आपको स्टार्ट करा दूं परसेंटेज यील्ड?
Sir, like which topic is it?
सेम मोल चैप्टर.
सर बाद में करें क्या, कि पहले दूसरी चीजों के ऊपर अगर फोकस करें?
ठीक है, ऐसा कर लेते हैं. बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं आप. नेक्स्ट. मैं आपको अगली क्लास में वर्कशीट दूंगा, वर्कशीट करेंगे. ठीक है, जो बच जाएंगे मैं आपको घर से दे दूंगा.
ओके सर.
The relative formula mass of 4 compounds are given. A student has 1 gram of sample of each compound. Which sample contain the highest number of moles of oxygen atom? So ऑक्सीजन एटम पूछ रहा है तो आपने रेशियो लगानी पड़ेगी. सबसे पहले निकालेंगे मोल ऑफ Al2O3 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 102. बताएं कितने ऑक्सीजन है इसमें?
Sir, 3 oxygen.
तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 कर दो डायरेक्ट, तो
Sir,
डायरेक्ट बनते हैं मोल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन.
the formula of mole is what? What was the formula of mole was the mass
Given
over
mass
AR, yeah?
AR, right? And the
So
ratio between aluminum and oxygen is 1:3.
okay. Then
That's
why
why
do you okay, we multiply by 3, yeah?
because the ratio is 1:3. In one aluminum, you have 3 oxygen.
Okay.
Are you getting my point?
Yeah, okay, I get it.
Now, can you tell me the answer?
Yes, sir, you got 0.029.
0.029 mole. Now, mole of oxygen in it, 1 divided by 80, multiply by 1, because you have 1 oxygen. Yes. 1 divided by 98. Now you have 4 oxygen. 1 divided by 63, multiply by 3. Yes.
First one you get 0.0125.
0.0125.
Yes.
And 4 divided by 98 is?
So for the third one is 0.04.
0.04. Next.
0.04. 0.048.
0.048 mole. So which one is greater?
Third, the last one.
This is question number 11. So D is the answer. Yes, D is the answer. Correct. समझ आ रहा है भाई या नहीं आ रहा?
Yes, sir.
मैं मेरे जहन में एक आइडिया आया तुम लोगों को कैसे काम कराना है. मैं तुम्हें इतने क्वेश्चन कराऊंगा मोल्स के, तुम्हें याद तो बहुत मोहब्बत हो जाएगी मोल से. Inshallah, in the next class, from the next class, inshallah. Now, how many elements combine to form a compound ammonium sulfate? Can you tell me the formula of ammonium?
NH4, sir.
Very good. NH4.
And sulfate is
And
SO4.
very, very good. Can you tell me the valency of ammonium? It is +1
+1,
and it
and
is
that is -2.
-2. Now it means NH4 to
SO4.
SO4. Now how many elements?
4. NH, S and O.
Nitrogen, hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen 4. So B is the correct answer of 12. So okay, B is correct. B is correct, 4 is correct. Now, new topic is percentage yield. Yield means how many product do you get? So, practical yield, divided by theoretical yield. Theoretical yield multiply by 100. Now look at the example. CH4 plus O2 give carbon dioxide plus water. Now 5 gram is taken if the mass of CH4 is 5 gram and amount of carbon dioxide produced is 2.5 gram. You can easily find the percentage yield. यानी कितना परसेंट बना है. Now step number 1. Write here CH4.
Sir, what was yield?
Sorry.
What was yield? What was yield?
Yield means how much product is formed. अगर किसी
Uh,
चीज को बनाने में ज्यादा पैसे लग रहे हैं और कम बन रहा है तो हम कहेंगे परसेंटेज यील्ड इज वेरी लो.
Sir, so here in CH4, why are we comparing CH4 and CO2?
Because in the question CH4 mass is given. In the question mass of carbon dioxide is given.
Okay.
Can you tell me MR of CH4?
So why do you have to find MR?
Okay. Because to find the moles.
Also, here we have to find moles. Okay.
Sir,
So-
MR of CH4 is 16.
16 and MR of carbon dioxide is 44. Right?
Yes,
So
sir.
you can write here 16. You can write here 44. So 5 gram is written. X is required. Yes. This is theoretical yield. And practical yield is 2.5. Yes.
Sir, isn't already given 2.5?
Yes. Yes, 2.5 is practical yield. So this is practical yield.
So
So
isn't
this
5
X is
also
theoretical
practical
yield.
yield?
Sorry.
Isn't 5 also practical yield? The 5 gram.
Okay, it's also 5.
5, sir, 5 is also practical yield, yeah.
No. This 5 is, the question is that if 5 gram of CH4 is taken, 2.5 gram of carbon dioxide are produced, right?
Yes.
If you perform practical and take 5 gram of CH4, 2.5 gram of carbon dioxide is produced. Now the question is that find the percentage yield. So use mole ratio to find the value of X. This is called
This is what
theoretical
you.
yield of carbon dioxide.
Okay.
Can you tell me the value?
Sir, 13.75.
13.75. Right? So step 2, percentage yield. Percentage is equal to practical yield is 2.5. Theoretical yield is 13.75. Yes.
Sir, 0.18.
So very low percentage yield. बहुत ही थका हुआ लैब है ये. आपको मेरी बात समझ आई? अच्छा मेरी बात सुने. आज मैंने आपको मोल्स के इतने सारे क्वेश्चन कराए ना, ये अलग अलग वैरायटी के थे. अब अगली क्लास में मैं आपको कराऊंगा वर्कशीट. जब आप कहेंगे किसी भी एक टॉपिक को सर आ गया, फिर उसका असाइनमेंट देके आगे बढ़ेंगे. ठीक है? अगर
ठीक है
मुझे
सर.
पूरा 1 महीना भी मोल्स कराना पड़ा, मैं मोल्स कराऊंगा. moles are moles. Mole is very very important. आपने देखा एक एमसी 4 एमसीक्यू आ रहे हैं यार. आपको मेरी बात समझ आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बताएं आपको क्या क्या नहीं आया आज. कुछ मुश्किल हुई है?
Yes, sir.
कोई मसला नहीं है, हम दोबारा करेंगे. मैंने आपसे कहा उमर साथ, आप टेंशन नहीं लो, मैं आपको इतना मोल्स कराऊंगा जब तक आप नहीं कहेंगे बस कर दें सर, मैं करवाऊंगा उस वक्त तक. ठीक है?
जी सर.
अच्छा, अब 1 मिनट मेरी बात सुनिएगा.